Hey, what's up, Chainlink holders? So after a long time, Chainlink is very fastly moving upward and wake up. After a very long time, you can see here just in only 3.77% the price is increased now. But really, I'm 100% sure to upcoming time there's more chances they're moving upward. You know what? After a technical analysis, after a prediction, absolutely you also understand to really can Chainlink is moving upward or not. So whether you can see the last 1 month chart is on the screen, and this time you can see they fell down minus 42%. So my friends, I will just tell you, do they take a very big jump or not, my friends? They take a small jump. Absolutely, after this, my friend, I hope they take a jump, but definitely, my friends, the main question is that do they take a huge jump or bad or small jump? You can see, especially after a huge fail, absolutely they take a very huge jump. So I'm 100% sure to after this fails they also take a very huge jump, and I hope in upcoming times, my friends, they will give you a very good profit. So the future is going to be bright. So Chainlink holder, please don't sell it, hold it and wait for a good time. I hope my brother's Chainlink is going to be viral again now. 52.05 USD dollar is the latest price, and this and the last 1 month price, and you can see here this time the latest price is 28.34 USD dollar. So it's mean to the price is very fastly decreased now. I hope, my friend, in upcoming time the price will be double now. Just and only you need to hold and wait for a good time. Thanks for watching. Please like this video and subscribe this channel.